In last week's video, I mentioned one of the great ways to make 10K per month online is simply selling digital products. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I go about earning $300 per day simply creating and selling digital products. We're going to talk about how to get traffic. We're going to talk about how to set everything up and how you can do this too. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn step by step how you can make $300 per day simply selling digital products. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so if we take a look at my screen here, you can see that I made $481 yesterday and $179 today, and it's only 9:17 a.m. I know that people want me to refresh, so we'll go ahead and we'll refresh that so that you can see that for yourself. And you'll see the same numbers. On average, that comes out to about $660, as you can see on the screen here. $660 simply creating digital products. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to identify a niche or a target audience. A niche, a target audience is just people that you're going to focus on and you're going to create content. Now, there are literally thousands of niches out there, but I recommend a niche where you can actually solve a problem and you can sell them something digitally. One of the great ways to find a niche is to use a website like buyqualityplr.com. We're going to use this a few different times, but you can see here, there are tons of different niches out there. They've got DIY home improvement. They have online business niche. They have life and self-improvement, 20 digital marketing. They have all sorts of stuff that you could get into. In fact, on the right-hand side here, these are all different niches that you could get into. That is step number one, is to identify a target audience. Step number two is to identify how you're going to get in front of those target audience. For example, on my online whiteboard, we can do free or paid, okay? And so I actually do a combination of both free and paid in order to make money. And it's not in the teaching people how to make money space. That's going to be another concern that I hear. So what I've been doing is I'll do a combination of free on TikTok, on YouTube, on Facebook Reels, Instagram, because it gets repurposed over on IG. I also do paid with Facebook ads, like this. And this is going to be our traffic. This is how we're going to get in front of people that are interested in our product, okay? And so we are going to create content, free or paid. The next step is we need to send them to our offer. Now, what I recommend in 2023 going forward is to sell them digital planners. Right now, planners are really hot. They have a high perceived value. It feels like it takes a lot of time to create those things, but in reality, you can hire somebody to do it. You can do it yourself over on Canva for free if you don't want to hire somebody, but you can actually do this yourself. So we're going to send them to a page that talks about our digital planners. Now, what I do is I sell a planner bundle. I'll sell maybe 4 or 5 planners within a niche, and that's important. You want to sell 4 or 5 planners within a niche, and you want to sell that for maybe $7 to $17. Okay. This is our sales page. Okay. So that is step number 2. You are then going to send them to an order page where they will actually place the order. They'll buy the product. Okay. And so the only thing on this page is going to be an order form where they can enter in their credit card information. And then down here, we have something called an order bump. That order bump is going to be something that they need or perceive that they need in order to increase the cart value, so the amount of money that people are paying us, and it gives them additional value. For example, if I am selling a digital planner in the travel space, I might offer an order bump of 201 questions that people are asking. And I like to sell these for maybe $37. The amount that you sell really depends. You can do this anywhere between $27 and $37, but I like $37. Now, what happens is a few things. Once they place the order, we are going to get access to their email and other contact information. On the next page, they are going to see an upsell, okay? And this upsell is going to be stuff that they also need. Now, what works really well is to sell them an ebook bundle or a video training bundle. Okay. And so that's why we're going to come back over here to Buy Quality PLR. We could take a look at maybe self-development sales funnels. We could click on this And we could actually buy this if we wanted to, if we didn't have any knowledge or experience in the self-development space, but we wanted to enter into that market because we felt like there's a good opportunity there. We could actually sell a bundle of ebooks that come with this bundle. So as you can see here, we could put together a nice little bundle of stuff that they need. The cool thing is that this has all been put together for you. You're going to sell this for, let's go back over to my whiteboard. Let's say you sell this for $47. Okay, so you sell that for $47. They may choose to take it. Sometimes they don't. But what they will do is they will come back over here. They'll actually see another sales page like this. And this is actually going to be a membership site. So what we can do is we can charge a monthly reoccurring membership for a certain amount of money that we decide to give them more information. So if we're thinking about self-development, over here, we are going to give them planners, self-development planners. If they buy the self-development planners, they're going to get access to an ebook bundle, okay? And if they decide, regardless if they decide to buy it or not, on the next page, they are going to see, we'll charge $49 here. They are going to see an opportunity to join a membership. This is going to be every single month where they can pay us to get access to more information. Included in that membership could be different video training. So we could add in new video training every single month. It could be new planners. It could be all sorts of stuff. It could be anything relevant to the niche, and they're going to continue to pay us if they see value. If they decide not to buy it, we'll send them a downsell page where we will cut the price in half to maybe $29 per month and elect to buy. So let's assume that the people, our customers, they only buy this front end product. What we are going to do is we are going to send them emails to join our membership site. And that's the beauty of having a mailing list. That's the beauty of selling this all on your own. You can sell them more stuff. And oh, by the way, you can make more money by having affiliate offers in your membership site. You can make more money by maybe contacting people and, sharing your list with them, or they share your list with them. There's so many different opportunities. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how do you find a niche? One of the best ways is to go over to this website. There's tons of PLR websites out there where you can look. As you can see, there's holiday, diabetes, jobs, so on. There's tons of information out there. There's tons of PLR websites. You just need to go out and do the work and set this up and then send traffic. Now, to make $300 per month, if you're starting off from scratch, it's going to take a little while, especially if you're doing this for free. If you're going with the free method, you are going to scale to $300 per day. If you're using paid method, you can get there faster. But what I want you to do is I want you to take action. This is something that anybody can do. You identify a target market or a niche, you figure out what they want, what they need. You create planners that sell on the front end, and then you can create upsells on the back end. One thing that you can do is you can either, like I said, you can either create planners yourself using a website like Canva. If you don't have an eye for design like I don't, you can hire somebody to do this over on Fiverr. You just simply type in a digital planner. So we'll just Google a digital planner like this, digital planner. And you can find someone to do it for maybe $10, relatively inexpensive. Now, to increase the chances of someone buying, I like to have a planner bundle. And to figure out what you should include in your planner bundle is you can go over to a website like Etsy, and then you could type in whatever your niche is. So we could do self-development planner. We could do self-development checklist. Now, again, you're not stealing anybody's work. I want to be dead clear on that. Do not steal other people's work. You are going to create your own original content, but you can use this as inspiration. So we can do self-development planner like this, and then you can take a look and get ideas and inspiration on what's required. But if you scroll down here, you can see a goal planning workbook. That's something that could be sold, that, as you can see, it sells for $15 right on Etsy, but you could just jot all these down. ADHD productivity checklist. You could bundle all of these up and you can sell them for between $7 and $17. You can even go as low as $5 if you want, but you can sell it as a low front end offer, and then you can sell other stuff on the front end. So one thing that you could do is you could come up with a bundle of maybe 4 planners. Each planner is 10 pages, so 40 pages. Then we could include a self-development workbook at $37. They elect to take that. You can see that your average cart value goes from $7 all the way up to $44 or $54 depending on what you do. And then you have opportunities to make money on the back end. Now on the back end, to deliver your products, you can use something like ClickFunnels, you can use Teachable, Kartra, Builderall. There are tons of softwares out there. I don't want you to get hung up on the softwares. I want you to go out there and take action. And this is something literally anybody can do. You can actually build this out through WordPress too if you wanted to, but it's really as simple as identifying a market. In this instance, we're using self-development. You are going to decide where you're going to create content. If you don't have any money to invest in paid ads, that's okay. You can do TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or even if you have $10 per day to spend, you could do Facebook paid ads and get results a little bit quicker. You're going to send them to a sales page. You are going to then offer them an order bump. And then you can, as you can see, you can do this step by step. Anybody can do this. And the cool thing is you can make money on the back end here by affiliate marketing. As I mentioned, you can send them to go to your YouTube channel or wherever you're making more money. If you have a blog or a website, you can send people back to that again and again and again. But this works. Literally, there are millions of people doing it, and you can do this too. You just have to take action. And remember, if you're doing free, if you're doing free, this is going to take time. Don't expect to make $300 per day tomorrow if you're just getting started. You want to scale. Your first goal should be making your first sale. And then after that, your goal should be scaling to $100 per day, then scaling to $200 per day, then $300 per day. And then that's how you get to 10K months. As I was playing this back, I realized that someone would comment. I know they would comment, Alston, but you didn't tell us the type of content to create. And me trying to make sure that I cover every aspect so that you can be in the best position possible to be successful, I decided to add this addendum to the original video. So how to create content, what type of content to create? There's a couple ways to go about it. You can go to a website called answerthepublic.com and type in your niche. For example, self-development. Another thing that you could do is you could go follow a bunch of TikTok accounts that are within that same self-development space. You can just type in self-development as the keyword and look and see the type of content that they create. And then you could create similar content. Now you want to make sure that you are being unique. You are answering questions and solving problems based on what your target audience wants to know. Another thing that you can do is you can actually break out pieces of that PLR bundle and you could create content off of that. For example, within that PLR bundle that I alluded to earlier, you could actually look at the chapters, and those chapters are going to be headings and content ideas. So you could go through, okay, so one of the chapters on self-development is mindset. Then you could go do a little bit of research and figure out what people are searching for based on mindset, and you could create content on mindset. So you just need to create the content, figure out what your target audience wants to know and what they need, create that content, and then drive traffic to the sales page, as I alluded to earlier in the video that I created a couple days ago. Now that you know how to make $300 per day selling digital products, but you need help with digital product creation, I actually have taken care of that for you. You can go to the website plrrepository.com. It'll be the first link in the description, where you can get access to about 20 done-for-you digital products that you can just package up and sell. Now, included in this PLR repository are 30 different ways that you can sell your digital products online. All you have to do is click the first link in the description and join to download your done-for-you digital products. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.